Hello. So, I don't know if you guys have seen it, probably, but there's this viral TikTok trend, like eyebrow trend going around, and I, as you can probably tell, don't really have eyebrows right now because I bleached them. I don't know what it looks like on camera, but yeah. So, I was thinking, I ain't got time to get stuff in the mail. So I'm gonna try and DIY this. The problem is that my protractor, or whatever it's called, that I used to point holes in, I don't have it. I don't know where it went. So I'm gonna have to figure it out without it. So first off, I'm gonna go get a pen. As I was getting the pen, I just thought of something that might be better. If I draw an outline on my actual eyebrow and then stick the paper to it and cut that out, maybe that's gonna work. This one is so old, I need some new makeup. I'm kind of scared. I never use makeup really, so it gets old. Anyway, I hope you can see this. I can't see the viewfinder. Something like that. And then I have no idea if this is gonna work. I just got out of that. Ooh, almost an outline. Now I use the pen and I try to draw the actual thing on. Considering I don't know how to do makeup properly, I don't know what the end here is supposed to look like. Probably should have just looked up the actual thing. But now, let me try and cut this out. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but just trying to... I guess it's better that it's shorter and then fill in the front after, maybe. If you can't tell, I don't know how to do this. Okay, so it looks a little bit short for an eyebrow, but I figured then you can draw like those lines in the front, and that might look more natural. Anyways, oh, I'm gonna need to cut some more off here so I can see what I'm doing. See? Pretty good, and then you just turn around on this side. Okay, now my plan was to use this Bitch and Brows and one of these things to make the thing that they use on. I don't know what it's called. And I have no idea if this is gonna work, but let me just like put it on. Okay, just supposed to hold it on like that. And I'm dipping this into some stuff. I'm gonna try and do it so you can see. I know it's really hard for me to see. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, you ready? What does it look like? Ooh! Actually, that's not half bad. Let me see if I can do the other one the same way. The problem is it's dirty on that side now, but anyways. Let me see if I can put it on this side too. Is that approximately the same? Let's try it. Dipping it in some more. As a side note, you could probably do any kind of eyebrow shape you wanted if you made them yourself, so I just think this way is way better, honestly. Okay. Ooh, got a little bit there. Hang on. I feel like that kind of worked. They are very dark though. I don't even have makeup remover. Oh man. Oh, my cat's meowing at me. 1 second. So, is it recording? Yes. So, my cat's been fed. Now let's see this eyebrow thing. Now, I don't know how to make it look really good for the rest, but I'm gonna try. Actually, that kind of works. Let's see. Okay, he needs my attention, so I gotta go do that. But yeah, I think this works. And it's a lot faster than ordering it online. I'm actually gonna keep this. That was kind of useful. Yeah. Hope you try it yourself and see that you don't need to buy the product. And see you next time.